What has happened to Julia Wandelt? A bold claim, a viral frenzy, and a DNA test that promised answers. Julia Wandelt insisted she was Madeleine McCann. But was there any truth to it, or was it just a case of misinterpreted science? In early 2023, Julia Wandelt, a 23-year-old Polish woman, took to Instagram, claiming she was the missing child, Madeleine McCann. Her reasons: supposed physical similarities, childhood memory gaps, and a belief that her family was hiding something. But when DNA testing was finally done, it told a very different story. Julia used 23andMe, one of many online ancestry databases that analyze DNA using a method called SNP testing. Unlike full DNA matching, which examines large segments of DNA to establish familial relationships, SNP testing only looks at specific genetic markers. SNPs or SNPs are the most common type of genetic variation found in human DNA. These represent single-letter changes in our genetic code, like this. Original DNA sequence. AAGCTGATA gives SNP variant. Ogata. See the difference? Just one letter changed. That's what SNP testing looks for. But here's the key thing: SNP testing does not work the same way as full DNA matching or whole genome sequencing. So when Julia claimed she had a 69% DNA match to the McCanns, it set off alarms among genetic experts. Here's why. Relationship and shared DNA chart. Parent-child, approximately 50% DNA shared. Full sibling, approximately 50%. Half-sibling, grandparent, aunt-uncle, approximately 25%. First cousin, approximately 12.5%. Second cousin, approximately 3%. There is no such thing as a 69% DNA match in ancestry testing. A 69% similarity would mean Julia shared more DNA with the McCanns than a parent and child, which is biologically impossible. Standard genetic relationships follow predictable patterns, and this claim does not fit any known category. So what really happened? After the controversy surrounding the 69% match claim, experts took a closer look. They believe Julia, or someone else, may have altered her 23andMe results before sending them to another company, which then provided the misleading 69% SNP match claim. SNP testing only examines a limited set of markers, not the entire genome. It cannot provide definitive proof of parentage. Despite the DNA evidence debunking her claim, Julia continued to insist she was Madeleine McCann. Then, in February 2025, things took a darker turn. She was arrested in the UK for allegedly stalking and harassing the McCann family. This case, which began as a viral internet mystery, ended in legal trouble. Meanwhile, the real search for what happened to Madeleine McCann continues. False claims and misleading DNA tests only divert attention from legitimate leads, wasting valuable resources. Every second counts in missing persons cases, and real information could make all the difference. If you know anything that could help, contact the authorities because Madeleine's case remains open. Thank you for watching.